Welcome to day 34 of vlogging. I'm again starting this vlog in the evening while editing the yesterday's vlog. The whole purpose of this vlogging was documentation, hour by hour documentation on updates so that I keep myself accountable, which I have forgotten along the way. So this is what I'm going to do from tomorrow because today's vlog I don't have the opportunity to do it today. But today is Sunday evening, so we decided to have some pakora in our office. So these are potato bread pakoras that we're gonna enjoy. And apart from that, what I did today, I woke up very late because last night, by the way, last night we had a pretty good fun. Me, Nidit, Hemrajda, and two more people along with them was there. And we went to RDV. We had a night drive. Then a lot of spooky incident happened with me, and I'm still in the delusion that it did it really happen, or what happened last night. So it is some personal stuff. I'll share this if you DM me personally what happened, and if you don't, then it's fine. I'll share you. But I've never seen anyone having this kind of issues, spooky issues. So that is something that I will reveal on some other vlog when I see there is not such issue happening again. So this is first part of it. Now second is we went to fun. We went to RDB. There was a lot of driving fun. There was a lot of stories and all this. So we went there. I came back at 3:30, and then I slept. I slept till 12 today because I did not have much good sleeps in the last few weeks, I would say. So after this, I am right now at my office. Like I came to office, and I purchased a gift because I have an invitation right after this, and I'll go in this dress only. So I purchased a gift for the person whose birthday is today, and it apparently seems the birthday fever is on. Either it's mine or it's someone else's, but July is the time. So a lot of birthday shits happening, and me and Indro were discussing it like a few moments back that people who are born in July probably their mom and dad had their business sorted during the puja times. So this we are the puja product apparently. So everyone who has birthday during these times are product of puja festivals and all, which is a very good notion. I like it, and want to uh, I want to I want to keep it that way. And after that, we did some work. I got my YouTube video editing done with my team, and then we had this pakoras. I was I was editing one video of my client, and it's been so long that I have edited any video of my client. I just give the ideas and all, but I'm editing a video for my client's ad, just doing it out of like Sunday afternoon, though I have a lot of works to do which I'm not going to do today because I want to keep my routine strict to the Monday. There is no Sunday Monday for me, I understand that, but I didn't want to do it today because when you are gaining the momentum, it is very important to make sure that you are taking all the time that you need to get the momentum. Because by time I mean not resting and waking up. By time I mean if I'm focusing on one particular type of work, then I'm going to do one that particular type of work rather than doing n number of walks in the 2 hours or 3 hours span. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm not going to jump from analytics to writing to this, that, and those things because I'm not in the mood of that as well. And the mood is very, very, very important for the things to set in place. So see you on the next part of the vlog. A lot of team members will be there of my clients. So I'll see you then. Till then, let's enjoy this pakoda. Okay, so now here we are at Desires, and the atmosphere is absolutely crazy. I'll show you something. Wait, let me record some videos.
अच्छा team, go boys, are you ready? Ready? Chalo, last round, and let's have the music. And that way we're going to have the magic show for the kids out here.
can't find my partners right now.
All the couples.
Crazy day it is going. Electrifying atmosphere. We are enjoying. And it's great. Good on, Ravi. Go, go, move. Where the question? I know. So here we are, the Wall Gaming and Nether Media team, and we are here trying our crabs. He's trying some other thing. What are you trying today?
Nothing much, prawns and chicken.
Okay. What are you trying?
Chicken and pakoras.
Okay, so the party is absolutely awesome, and this entire place is booked by Taterotirtha. That is a very, very great notion, and I would definitely want to celebrate a birthday like this. So let's see. Let's go. So we are probably at the last part of the vlog, or else I can shoot another part of the vlog today. So we are coming back from a refreshing and super awesome party by Taterotirtha, and I am with my friends who are my friends as well as they are walking with Wall. So here is our Bidi Bhai. No, this is Shatik. Na Bidi. This is Shatik. There is Bidi Bhai.
Hello.
And I am sitting with Budo Bhai and Bidi Bhai. And Swatik has also some name related to Budo. Or yes, Swatik was also Budo, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So we are coming back with the gaming team and the social team. Also, my brother is not here. He's traveling, so he missed out on this party where we had the blast. We have to give him FOMO. We have to show him what he have missed. Okay. So that is something that we are planning on. By the way, you have already seen the video of the party that we did. So that was pretty cool. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to my home and I'm gonna prepare the tomorrow's routine, what I have to do. And I have to prepare it very strategically because I want to get a lot of shit done tomorrow. And I can see an M4 in front of me. It is looking super awesome, cool, and everyone is showing me. And take the video of that. I'll also attach it with this part of the vlog. You want me to catch him? Let's go. Go fast. Bikers of the risk. Very slowly. No, I can't take it. Okay, cool. Yeah, we are in front. It's right in front. Okay. I can.
Okay, XUV.
Probably I can't. I'm not sure about this place. That's why I didn't went there. But let's go. No matter. Cool. It's okay. Put it. And yeah, so that's more or less of it as of now. So as I was saying, I have to go back to my place. I have to fix tomorrow's routine. We have to get a cold drinks as well. And Then we'll see you on tomorrow's vlog if I don't shoot anything tonight, maybe. Yeah, so that's it for now. Let's break. Wanna